Cattle markets seeing turbulent trade on Wednesday as traders grapple with the news of avian flu being found in dairy cattle. Michelle Rook has more with Mike Zuzulo in Markets Now.
Overall crops were lower again on Wednesday, but cattle saw a recovery. Mike Zuzulo is back with us. Mike, let's talk about the corn market. First of all, we've had a lot of uncertainty hitting that market, including these reports coming up, right?
Yeah, and I think before the Wednesday trade, Michelle, we were trading a lot of inter-commodity spreading. In other words, the May-D's corn spread breaking to a new contract low. I think the trade believes we have excess supply, that the stocks report's going to show that. We also were trading a Nov bean D's corn ratio that had hit its highest level heading into Wednesday's trade since going all the way back to November and not too far back from the August contract highs.
We also have had uncertainty, obviously, in the soybean market, but now more Brazil production estimates, which were a bit negative as well on Wednesday.
Yeah, I think AgroConsult coming out late in the session probably reversed thrusters on some of the trade that I just talked about because they came in and jumped from a 152 plus Brazilian soybean production all the way up to a 156 plus number. And that takes you above USDA's 155, takes you 10 million metric tons above the CONAB number. They did it on 1.2 million hectares of planted acreage. And so I think the trade probably is going back and thinking maybe the USDA doesn't have to keep cutting this crop size in future reports. So I think that may add to an element of surprise or issue depending on what USDA gives us for those planted acreage numbers, because I think the trade's really at a point where they think there's 1 million less soybean acres coming in tomorrow's report and 1 million more going into the corn.
And what about the cattle market? We saw a recovery. Do you think all the panic selling is over now?
Yeah, I think the panic selling is over, but I also would say the monthly and quarterly end is coming right around the corner now. And I think the charts and the momentum factors and indicators are really crucial to be watching. So we may not be done selling off here, and it may still be kind of like a 2015 marketing year where you get a bump, but then by mid-year, you're right back on the downside again.
Thanks. That's Mike Zuzulo joining us with Markets Now. We'll have more AgDay coming up.